Alright, so today we've taken the front fender and number plate of this 2017 Cobra 50 Senior. We're going to be putting the new style Cobra 50 Senior on it. This should work for all, I believe, 2018 and older to like 2010, I think. Cobra 50s Seniors and Works Editions. I believe the only difference between this one and the 18 and 19 and 20 is the bolts are further apart on the triple clamp. So take that step for whatever it's worth. So for any of you who don't know, in 2021 they changed the front number plate and fender from this thing to something a little more modern looking, I guess. Pretty much son saw a new one and was like, "Oh Dad, that's really cool. I want my front fender to look like your front fender." So $60 later, right here. Haven't seen anybody do this. I mean, I have seen people do it online on the forums and stuff, but haven't actually seen a video or a how-to or anything. Just like things here and there on Facebook about how to do it. So I figured I'd make this video. This is also my first how-to video. Usually I'm just sitting here by myself drinking and going about my business. So we're gonna tackle this together. All right, stick around, enjoy the show. It occurred to me that before I start, if I'm doing this how-to thing, I should show you kind of generally the bare minimum tools you're gonna need, and then as we go, as I figure out the other stuff that we need, I will, I guess, add them to the list. Right, so right now all we have is I'm gonna use an impact with a 8mm socket, just because I'm lazy and I don't feel like being out here all night taking nuts or bolts out. 8mm Motion Pro T handle and a 10mm Motion Pro T handle. Everything else, I'm probably gonna need a drill bit of some size, and then I have some kydex over here to make a spacer if I need to, or a bracket, because supposedly the bolt holes are closer together in the middle. So if that's the case, I'm gonna have to, well, first I'm gonna use something to make a stencil, so probably a piece of cardboard or something, and then the bolt itself that holds the number plate in sits higher than the old style, like this. So I'm either gonna make a spacer, or I'm going to take this and just make a thin bracket just to have something to bolt up to. Yeah, so oh yeah. Alright, so if you guys can see in the video, the holes for the newer one are a lot further apart than the old style. So that's going to be problem number one that we're going to fix. But first, let's see how this looks while it's up here. Alright, yep, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take kydex. I'm going to make a bracket to move up the hole, so that way this hole lines up with this, and that's what we're going to do. Because I don't want to make an 1.5" spacer out of this thin piece of kydex. Be out here all night making sure the holes are right. It's just not worth it. So I went back and forth about how I wanted to tackle the whole bringing the bolt up thing. Honestly, I mean, the best thing I came up with was kydex. And that's it. First thing we got to do is have enough of this. Not really worried about that. More so how wide do I need this piece to be. So probably that might actually be perfect. Yeah, so we'll go this wide. Wider side for now. If you guys have never messed around with kydex before, super easy. I used in my latter days, I used to make holsters, various things, and this stuff was in my Amazon cart, and it's really don't want it. This stuff's too thin, pliable. Yeah, I can pretty much fold this like essentially it's just like a plastic piece of paper. So it's not really good for holsters when you really use the thicker stuff for holsters. So it's just been sitting in my garage for like the last 2 or 3 years. And I've just been figuring out random projects here and there to do with it. I could build a battery box car, some other stuff. Super easy to work with. Literally stuff you get it hot, and you can pretty much form it to anything. Super nice. Really, like I said, really easy to work with. Where is that piece of paper? All right. Let's see. see how the finished product looks. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. There's the, see if you can see the finished mount there. Yeah, not too bad. It'll look good whenever I get around to getting all the plastics and everything done for it. So that's it. All right, so tools I used. Final list, right? So I used a combination drill set. I used 1/8 drill bits to drill the pilot holes. And then I used a 1/4 inch and a 5/16 inch. 5/16 is what I have on the drill right now. Let's see, other tools: blade knife, pencil, measuring tape, impact, just being lazy because it's late. 10mm T-handle, 8mm T-handle, some random sheets of kydex, a actual square, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys taking your time to hang out with me while I work on the boys Cobra. If you guys have a Cobra, you're interested in some content, this bike will be on our channel a lot more now that I got it running and everything, and now that he actually wants to ride it. I'm also going to try every time I do anything to this, other than like maybe I'll do like the first oil change or like filter cleaning, stuff like that. Or maybe I'll do one video, it's just general maintenance. Yeah, I mean, whatever you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to, when I do it, to make a video about it. Yeah, thanks. Subscribe, like, that's it. Peace.